Okay, welcome to this video. We're going to see how to open Excel throughout a Shortkey. So naturally you can go here and then just type Excel. That could be maybe the way that a lot of people use to open this app, right? But we're gonna learn another way to make it just with one Shortkey. So here I'm opening the Excel, and immediately you will see that it will appear here in this bar. So here you can click to the right. You can go here to then click right here, and then once we are here we can go to properties. Let's see here again if I can take this one. Okay, now, sorry, we have this one, properties. And then here to properties, we can click on the short key. So for example, E automatically goes with Control Alt E. So then you can go here, apply, then continue with this. Hopefully it's your personal lab. Then go here to OK. And then I'm going to close again Excel, so it's not here anymore. So I'm going to type Control Alt E, and automatically now I have here Excel. Thank you. See you the next videos. Bye bye.